Hey everybody, thanks for watching the Jackleg Act. My name is Mushki, your Master Jackleg. Today's video we will briefly be explaining what exactly this upcoming total lunar super blood wolf moon is, when it is, and who gets to see it. Starting right at the top, total lunar eclipse. What exactly is that? Well, a lunar eclipse is just when the Earth gets in between the sun and the moon, casting the Earth's shadow on the moon. A total lunar eclipse is when the moon passes completely into Earth's shadow. They're really not all that uncommon as a whole. Roughly 70 to 80 of them happen per century. So, every year and a half, give or take. Next thing is a super moon. What exactly does that mean? Well, the moon's orbit around the Earth is not exactly a circle. It's more of an eclipse. So at certain times, the moon is closer to Earth, and one of those times is going to be this full moon. And since it is closer to Earth, it'll look bigger. How much bigger is roughly 14 to 15%. That may not seem like a lot, but let's take a look for ourselves. The US nickel is the moon normally. Average distance from it, full moon. The US quarter is what the moon is going to look like on this full moon. So roughly 14 to 15% bigger, and it'll be noticeable. I mean, it's not going to be Bruce Almighty pulls the moon in, but it'll be noticeably different. So that's the super moon. Super blood moon. Well, a blood moon is an event that happens when the moon passes into the Earth's shadow. As the moon dips behind the Earth, the light rays from the sun have to go around the Earth. They have to bend. And what happens is the lower frequency light rays, they get soaked up by the Earth's atmosphere, the blues and the violets and whatnot, and only the orange and the red, the higher ones, make it around to the moon, casting a reddish, orange, coppery hue on the moon, thus giving it the name a blood moon. Finishing off the title here, a wolf moon. Wolf moon is just a full moon that happens in January. It's a wolf moon every year, every January. The full moon that happens, it's a wolf moon. So total lunar super blood wolf moon eclipse. Y'all are educated. Who gets to see it? It's going to be visible by everyone in the US, most of South America, and certain parts of Europe. So it's going to cover a large area. Again, it happens this Sunday, January 20th, 2019. And it's going to span from about 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, PM, to about 2:45 Eastern Standard Time, AM, Monday morning, if that's how you want to put it. So it starts again, 9:30, and that's when it passes into like the first shadow, because there's two different stages. It gets into the second stage, or the partial lunar, at 10:30, so about an hour later. And one of the cool features of a partial lunar eclipse is the moon's surface is going to look like there was a bite taken out of it as it starts passing into the Earth's shadow. Be a pretty cool sight. Next thing, the full lunar eclipse will start roughly an hour after that, about 11:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that is when the moon will be completely in the Earth's shadow, and it'll stay like that for roughly an hour till about 12:43 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And just like it progressed into it, it'll regress out of it, another hour in the partial, then it'll be another hour into the outer shadow, and after that it'll be completely over. Monday being a holiday, hopefully you guys will be able to spend it with your kids or a loved one or a friend, or hey, if you're just up, go take a look at it. It'll be a cool sight to see. Thank you all for watching. This has been the Jackleg Act. My name is Mushki. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below about what you guys did for the total lunar super blood wolf moon eclipse. Until next time, Mushki out.